Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How Can I Improve My Home's Resale Value Through Remodeling? The timeless quest, boosting your home's resale value with the flair of a HGTV reveal. Whether you're planning to cash in soon or just want to keep your options open for the future, let's chat about strategic upgrades that turn meh into money. Let's dive in, shall we? First up, the kitchen, a room where glorious meals and spontaneous dance-offs happen. If you want a simple rule, update here, and the ROI is tastier than your secret chili recipe. Think sleek appliances, fresh cabinets, and stone countertops. Keep your palate neutral. No one's getting nostalgic for 70s avocado green anymore. Next, the bathroom. Put luxury here, and even the pickiest buyer might look past the questionable wallpaper choices elsewhere. Consider upgrades like a walk-in shower or a new vanity that echoes upscale spa vibes. Never underestimate the power of a sanctuary that's as rejuvenating as a day at the beach, minus the sand in awkward places. Now, curb appeal, literally where first impressions are made. New siding, fresh paint, or a charming front door provide that love at first sight magic. Throw in some chic landscape managing and your house might just be the belle of the block. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Hiring pros who know their nails from their screws ensures your upgrades don't turn into the next reality show disaster episode. Efficient systems like heating, air conditioning, and water heaters are the unsung heroes, often passed over, but buyers love them more than bees love flowers. Energy-efficient windows or a new roof warming under the Arizona sun also boost that value up. It's like putting on a fresh pair of glasses where the world becomes vibrant again. And don't forget about adding actual living space. Think attic conversions or finished basements. The value of a cozy nook or office area? Priceless in today's work-from-home era. Isn't it funny how extra square footage seems like real estate gold? In essence, focus on what would make potential buyers swoon. Small changes can make a big difference, transforming your home into a market sweetheart, eagerly awaited by buyers and realtors alike. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.